Hi there, this is Jacob, and in this video I am going to show you how to start receiving donation from your viewers. So before having this option on your profile and start making money through the donation of your viewers, just go on your profile. Through your profile, go to these 3 points and then turn your profile to professional mode. Once you turn this option on, go back and you will see the dashboard. To the dashboard, you will receive these options down: monetization, inspiration hub, moderation assets, and fan engagement. Go to monetization. Through the monetization, you have 4 options: stars, bonuses, in-stream ads, and subscriptions. So before reaching the minimums all the Facebook needs, just go and receive donation. Click on stars, then it will gives you the result, either you are accepted on the donation partnership or not. So the conditions or the needs for Facebook to activate this option for your profile is having 1000 followers in 60 days, and you should be in eligible country of these. Once you reach 1000 followers, you will have the option to activate this tool on your profile Facebook. Thank you for watching this video.